I have been living with this build for over 3 years now, but revisiting this drone crash reminded me that I seldom show videos of the interior of my xTerra, affectionately referred to as Sara. Look how much room I had to work with. I know that a lot of people look at a man my size and wonder how I fit, but I have really been comfortable in my build. In fact, I am considering getting a little companion soon. It will involve sacrifice, but I am looking forward to making that happen. Before I continue, I wanted to thank each and every one of you watching. I really couldn't do it without you, so thank you. If you haven't had a chance to watch the build videos that I produced 3 years ago, I have linked them onto this video. They are titled Lost Oak Found, Lost Oak Found 2, and Lost Oak Finale. FYI, the 2 in Lost Oak Found 2 is spelled T-O-O instead of T-W-O, the number, as a play on words, Lost Oak Found as well. I started with a base that needed to be bolted down. Thankfully, my brother had a tap and die set. The solid piece of birch plywood serves as a very solid base for this build. It serves my needs with storage, practical utility, and an adequate spot to sleep. That was all due to the 1.5 years of research done to prepare for this adventure. The completely self-taught computer-aided design or CAD software was invaluable for me to visualize the build with the very specific dimensions of the platform that I had to work with. That is a key point, because I did not want to buy something else, rather work with what I had available to me at the time. The original design on the build included what I refer to as my bedroom in which to sleep, my closet to store my clothes, my kitchen to cook my meals, and my pantry to store food and sundries. I did have one major modification from the original design, as I determined that while there would be adequate room to sleep, if I included the closet under my bed instead of under the kitchen/pantry, it would put me too close to the interior ceiling of the vehicle while sleeping. The good thing was that the dimensions would not have to change. It merely raised the kitchen/pantry up by the height of the closet drawer. The kitchen has a heavy-duty slide hinge, so I can extend it out of the back of my build. This provides me more than enough room to cook my meals. I even have a slot for my cutting board to increase counter space for meal prep. Currently, the closet drawer runs the length of the area under the kitchen and the pantry. It has more than enough room for all of the clothes that I own. The pantry holds all of my non-perishable food, and I have a refrigerator for the remainder of the food that I need to keep cold. Originally, I had an ice chest, but got tired of constantly needing to buy ice. I'll do a product review on my refrigerator in an upcoming video.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
All the best, always.
You wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?